Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. Later intro because my buddy and I, Mr. Flamingo, we decided to go out to do some night fishing. And I'm pretty tired because just waking up type stuff, you know. Yeah, we decided to do some night fishing. We wanted to try it out just to say that we did it. And we basically slept in my car. We got there kind of late. We got there after sundown. So it was around like 5:30, right? 6 o'clock almost. We decided to fish this like shoreline. We caught a few. You guys see in this video here as I'm talking. Caught a few, nothing big, nothing crazy. Good eaters, if you want to consider it. We caught some good eaters and threw them all back. We didn't keep anything. Then we ended up sleeping in the 4Runner because that was the ultimate goal, just to crash in my car and just, you know, sleep it out till like 3-4 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we got to fishing. The morning, it was really windy. Condition was terrible. It was 20 miles per hour wind. White caps, wave crashing on the rocks, and so on and so on. It was really cold. I want to say probably 17 degrees with wind chill, so let's just call it 10. That's pretty much what happened. So, and I apologize in advance for the bad quality fishing clips because I don't know what happened. GoPro was just acting dumb. I still run the GoPro Hero 8. Quality was just being dumb, but I promise you guys I fixed it. It's not going to be like this in the future, so enjoy. I'll see you guys out on the water. Peace. Well guys, it's not that we failed, it's just really windy and I think it's time for dinner. It's 9 o'clock, we're gonna eat real quick. Make ourselves some noodles. So yeah, we got our noodles. We're gonna eat here for a little bit. And then I'm gonna try to recap, see where we're gonna go because the wind is pretty bad. It's like 20 miles per hour. Right now we're by the city side and just covered by the buildings. Hey, look at it, we got fire.
Right, good enough for one.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, no, that's two, bro.
Yeah, it's two. You need water?
Yeah, we need water. Real fast, dude.
That should be good. Oh shit, you're right. Was the camera rolling?
Yeah, it's
oh, you should put that.
And while you wait for the water, I'm gonna go cast.
Water.
It's right here, dude. Right here, bro. Right behind us.
Yeah. Look, you see, he same box me, dude. Think you share that one. Are you keeping it?
Yes. You poured in already?
No, not yet. It's not been boiled yet.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I'm keeping it morning.
Why you bringing that?
So I'll show the camera.
Yeah, guys, I was just fishing while we was cooking.
Yep.
And look at what happened.
Exactly. Yes, dude, look. Cooking noodles, catching walls.
Hey, throw it right in there.
Yeah, we'll let it go.
Hey, he's here too.
Man, are you wearing my bib too?
I am. I feel you and your boots, dude. I am you now. Oh shit! Dude, his car almost caught on fire.
No, it's just from the leak.
I'm gonna stay over here.
Yeah, I didn't like go on correctly. There you go.
Okay.
It's just a little lopsided. That's
Yeah.
oh, bro. He's been sitting here forever.
Pouring there. Pour it, daddy.
Yep. Danny's on here.
Hey guys!
Hey guys! Any more water?
Hmm?
Any more water?
No, nothing.
You guys probably can't see me right now, but we are sleeping in my 4Runner. This guy. So we got all set up. Let me know if you guys want to see my setup in here. I'm gonna take a nap. We're not even gonna sleep on a nap for like 2.5 hours maybe, and get back out and do some fishing. So let me see if I can flip you guys around. Yeah, there you go. My rods are up there. Our feet are over there. Look at this, all this room. We got all the reflectors up, so trapping all the heats. And yeah, we're nice and toasty, as you can see. He's under the blanket. Mr. Flamingo.
Hello.
And we're good. I got my lithium battery pack right here, Dakota Lithium, charging our phones. We caught fish today. What, 5, 6 of them?
Yeah.
And
lost 1, you lost 2.
Yep, lost 2. You lost 1. You land 1. I land 3 or 4. I don't know. Can't remember. It's not bad. It's just windy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just kind of choppy out there, so it's hard to pause to bait where the walleyes are. So we're gonna take a nap and try it again. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in like 2 hours. Peace. Hey. Look at this big girl. Oh my gosh. Look at this big girl, dude. Oh my gosh. Freaking shaking. Yes. Oh, it's a nice 20 right there. Oh, dude. It's a beautiful fish. We're gonna keep this one for sure. I need me at least one. That was absolutely cool. Just casting to the dark there. Smoking right by the shoreline. I had to dip my hand in the water to grab them. It's a nice 20-incher, so oh my gosh. That's cool. Definitely a smaller one, but crushed it. Oh man, now doing pliers. Nice little 15. Popped off. Little guy, but fun. Very appreciated. Nice, dude. Crush is so freaking hard way out there. So I can't see where I'm casting. Little guy, come back. Nice fish. small, but they're munching, so that's fun. Crushing the different perch color. Insane. It's windy, snowing, bad conditions, but you know what? These are some bad fish. I love it, dude.
Nice.
Nice. Look at that there.
Nice.
Keeper.
Hey.
Keeper.
Oh, look right here.
Yeah. Great.
Hey. Told you, I'm good luck, Daddy.
Yeah. Alright, Danny, I'm gonna tie it to the phone, okay? Watch it.
All right, I got you.